Hello, this is Matthew Valdez, the Online Education and Reference Librarian at Pikes Peak Community College. In this tutorial video, I would like to introduce you to one of the databases to which the library subscribes, JSTOR. JSTOR is especially useful for research in the humanities. It includes core journals in economics, history, philosophy, political science, and sociology, as well as other key fields in the arts, humanities, and social sciences. You'll find JSTOR listed within the research guides for many of the humanities subject areas. Like all of our databases, you can also find it in our alphabetical A to Z list of databases. Begin by navigating to the library homepage using your browser of choice. The URL is ppcc.edu/library. Once you've loaded the library homepage, look for the link titled Article Databases and click here to go to our alphabetical listing. You can either scroll down to the letter you are looking for, or you can click the letter from the navigation bar and jump directly down. In this case, I'll click on the letter J and jump down to the J section of our database lists, where we'll find our link to JSTOR. Click the link to access the database. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to enter your student ID number and portal password to authenticate your connection before continuing. Now we've accessed the JSTOR database, and you'll notice there is a search bar front and center. You can conduct a search from here by entering a keyword or phrase central to the topic you're researching. In this example, I'll enter a name of a historical figure, Octavian. Press return or click the magnifying glass icon, search button, and you'll be brought to a results listing. Here we can narrow down our results by applying various filters. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll notice a content type area. If we check the box beside journals and update our search results, we'll now exclude those results which came from books. You can also use the publication date option. In this example, if I only wanted articles published after 1976, I can use that as my from date and the current year as the to date, and once again update my search results. You'll notice each time we update our search results after applying a filter, the total number of results decreases. I'll return to the JSTOR homepage and show you that you also have the option here to conduct an advanced search. Click the advanced search link beneath the search box, and it will load an advanced search screen. Here we can combine multiple keywords and apply some filters before generating our search results list. In this example, I'll enter the keyword Trajan, use the default Boolean operator and connect it with a second keyword, in this case column. I'll also limit my results to articles published after 1976 by filling in the appropriate fields before clicking search. Now when we generate a search results page, you'll see that we are searching within our specified date range and using our combination of keywords from the advanced search screen. Once you've located an article that is relevant to your research, click on the title to access the detailed record for that article. Here you can find on the right-hand side a button titled Cite This Item. Click this to generate a citation in the most popular style guides and then simply copy and paste that citation into your works cited page. You can also access the full text of the article from the detailed results, and you can find a link to download a PDF.